Hi, today's topic is emotions overpower our logic. Our subconscious mind, that is our emotional mind, is a horse. Our conscious mind, that is our logical mind, is a jockey. Of course, horse is more powerful than the jockey. Just like a jockey trains the horse, the subconscious mind needs to be trained in a language that it understands. The language of subconscious mind is the language of the universe. And the language is called as the language of emotions. Emotions are nothing but energy in motion. You must have observed people with higher vibration are more energetic, as they do not waste their energy in cribbing, blaming, and other activities. If you want something in life, you have to match up to its frequency in order to get it. Therefore, tuning into the right frequency is very, very important. At an average, we get 60 to 70,000 thoughts per day. Thoughts can impact anything and everything, and that also includes water. It's important to note that 70 to 90% of our body is water. So you can imagine what kind of impact thoughts can create on our body. In a nutshell, thoughts create emotion. Emotions create vibration. As a result, vibration affects our body. So to remain in positive vibrations, it is very, very important for us in order to be healthy and successful. It's important to understand that having written goals and strategy to achieve those goals is imperative, because our reticular action system in our brain gets activated if we have written goals, strategy, and backup plans. Nobody can achieve sustainable success through shortcuts. Success is a process. You have to put in energy, focus in order to achieve your goals. Comfort zone is a short way to failure. And then what people do is they just blame others instead of making the decision and taking the action. Therefore, the ultimate success formula is right thoughts, right emotions, and right actions, and stepping out of comfort zone. Let me share my own story with you. I am an actor by profession. As an actor, I always strive to play the character with passion and intensity so as to create an enjoyable and memorable performance. In an actor's life, many turning points come. Any moment is a turning point if one decides to make the most of it. I consider myself the in charge of my life. I accept the worst and hope for the best. Some of the goals that set me in higher vibrations and bring growing fulfillment to me are finding out who I really am, living according to high vision, giving of myself to others, following my own truth, being a model for people to live up to, and exploring the spiritual dimension of life, setting a difficult, meaningful goal and then achieving it. I have always believed in the fact that the pleasure of life is to seek knowledge and use knowledge. If ever I find a roadblock, I look for options and take a road around it. The pursuit of knowledge and pondering about new possibilities is my way of life. And for that matter, every day is a learning day as I meet new people. In fact, after working with several renowned companies and with renowned personalities, I have gained a lot of insight and confidence to pursue my goals in a lot faster way.